Hello and welcome to STEM. My name is Mrs. Leffelholtz and I will be your STEM teacher this year. In case you didn't know, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, and we'll be doing lots of hands-on projects that incorporate these 4 disciplines. Here is a little bit about me. This is my 14th year to teach school and my 7th year of teaching STEM. This is a picture of our family, my husband Philip and our sons Aiden and Caden. They are 5th graders this year at Lakeview. At the bottom, that's our dog Buster. He's a Chiweenie and he's super cuddly. When you come to my room, you'll wait at the door for me to welcome you in. As you come in, you're going to come in with a voice level of 0. And you'll notice that there's probably an activity going on the smartboard where you will join in and get your wiggles out before we get our STEM class started. If you want to know what's going on today in STEM, a great place to look would be on the goal wall as you come into my room. That's where you're going to have the activities that we're doing today, so you'll always know where we're headed. These are the expectations for what happens in STEM class. You're going to be ready to do your best every day and to listen to everyone's ideas. You're also going to want to be listening and following directions. You're going to show respect to the teacher, to the equipment, and to yourself and each other. Everybody comes to STEM, so the equipment that we use in here has to be taken care of so all 650 students can use it. You're going to be responsible for using materials wisely and for cleaning up your area. When your class is great, they've cleaned up, they've followed procedures, and we've had an excellent time together, then we will earn a sticker for our Dice Day poster. After you've earned 10 stickers, we will earn the ability to have Dice Day at the end of the quarter. Dice Day details are coming later. If you need to go to the restroom while you're in STEM, you're going to sign on the whiteboard on my door under the Who's Out poster. You'll notice the rules of Who's Out. Only one boy and one girl can be out at a time. If you notice there's already a name on the board, then you need to wait until it's your turn to go. If you come to STEM unprepared by not having a pencil with you, you are welcome to borrow a pencil from my sharps can. However, if you borrow my pencil, I need to borrow your shoe. So you can leave your shoe right there at the bottom of that shelf and then return it when you return my pencil. The next time you come to STEM, I will give you a name tag. So as you come in, you will grab a name tag holder and you'll slip your little name tag slip inside that holder. Name tags help me learn your names and help each other to learn who we are. So check for that when you come to class next time. Now let's talk about what to do in case of an emergency in STEM. If there is a fire emergency, we will line up at the back door, we will go out, cross the big sidewalk, and go stand up on the grass by the fence in the picture. Then I will call out number order to quickly see who is there and who is gone and not with our class. If there is a tornado emergency or drill, we will go out into the pod and we will duck and cover by the boys' restroom. While we do that, I'm going to be calling out your number, so you will need to be quiet and listen to make sure that we have all of our class together. In case of a lockdown, we will just lock the doors and we will continue to have class just like normal. However, if there is what's called an intruder alert or an intruder drill, then we will remove the Velcro off of the door catch so that my door will lock, and then we will go over and duck and cover, kind of get underneath the cubbies in the left side of my classroom. At that time, we will need to be very quiet, very still, so that we are not discovered. In the case of a hazardous materials drill, we will go out into the pod because that is where there's restrooms and water available, and we will sit quietly. I will call attendance, and we will wait until we have further instructions. When you leave my class, we are going to line up quickly and quietly in what I like to call a 4S line, which means that you are silent, you are still, you are straight behind the person in front of you, and my favorite part of being in line, being smiling. I'm so excited to have you in class this year and to be your STEM teacher. So I can't wait to see what this school year holds.